Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox these three items which I ordered in the Flipkart sale. And see here, the first one I'm going to unbox this HALA 1140 multifunction wristwatch, which is of this. I'll be expanding this. This is the watch actually. And in the next video, I'm going to unbox this knife set, three knife set. See here. Yeah, the Odor 3-piece stainless steel knife set, and along with that I also ordered this FedEx stainless steel chopboard. So for now, yeah, for now we'll going to unbox this watch. The strips has this printing, so that's the reason I purchased this. So let me just open this one. Yeah, let me open this box once. Yeah, the packaging is very cute. Even this is good for gifting purpose also. Yeah, just by looking at this package, this is pretty good for the gifting purpose also. Yeah, the price it is mentioning here like 339, but I purchased it for 288. Just check in the mobile app, the price would be somewhere close to 260 or something like that. Okay, and see the package here, it is looking pretty premium. Let me open this box. Yeah, this is how it is looking. There is a inner plastic cover. Let us take this out. Are there any? Yeah, here are the more details. The brand is HALA. The style code is HL1140 Sports Stylish Digital Watch, and the strap color is gray, ideal for men. Wristwatch. Okay, that's all. That's all. So I'll be taking this out. Let me place it here. Okay, this knife set and the stainless steel chopping board, I'll be keeping the links in the description for the unboxing videos and the initial impressions. Just check the description after watching this video. Okay, there are a lot more other colors also available. Okay, see here, sorry, yeah, there are different colors available. The one I ordered is this one, the gray one. Okay, let me take this out. See, the contents in the box are this watch, one watch, and this operations instruction manual. Okay, 12 digits LCD display. Okay, this is the LCD display. Okay, digital LCD display. Digital hours, minutes, seconds, month, day and week. So time and date both are available. 10 digit display. Okay, so what I'll do is, yeah, this is how it is looking when you keep or put on your hand, and you need to press this button, the button which I'm showing for the light purpose. So let me just press that button once. See, when, yeah, I just took it out of my hand. See, if you press on this, the light gets turned on so that you can just check the time here. Okay, so the settings and everything, I'll be doing a tutorial video on how you can set the time and everything. So in the next video you can check all those details. Yeah, now we'll talk about the strap quality. Strap quality, I expected a little bit more quality, but I should say something like this is not according to my expectations. Like, even like, coming to the strap here, this is mentioned as silicone material on the Flipkart where I have bought, and this is the watch what I have purchased in the offline, and this is of silicone material only, maybe rubber sort of material. And this is the one which I purchased just now. This HALA one is a bit hard in the nature. See here, I'm just having the impressions, right? It is just feeling a bit hard here, and this is more sort of like rubber material, soft, easily flexible, right? And the one which I just purchased is not that flexible, it's having a hard impression. Yeah, this is my initial impressions. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And do one thing, if anyone are watching do one thing, if anyone are using this brand watches already, please do share your opinions in the comments, so that whoever wants to purchase the watches from this brand, that will be useful, your comments will be useful. And the time setting and everything I'll be posting another video, okay? But placing on the hand, I'll be again placing once again. Yeah, the hand feel is ultimate, especially the printing on the straps are really good, and the look is really premium, okay? Good feel, look and wise this is pretty good. A light dissatisfaction on the strap wise, but otherwise, yeah, good. At this budget price, this is good. And please do comment your opinion. What do you say about this watch? Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Check for the unboxing of the other two in the description here.